So in this video, we're going to focus on trying to remove as much pet hair as possible using my favorite pet hair removal tool. This is my go-to pet hair removal tool. You can get amazing results like these here. So we start by removing all the loose pet hair. Anything that's just sitting on top of the fabric, we can just vac it straight up before we go into actually using the pet hair removal tool or spraying down or anything. Now you want to start from the top when you have these type of seats, just so that, a lot of that pet hair falls down and you're not working over yourself. Now that we have the majority of the top layer removed, we can move on to actually using the pet hair removal tool. All right, here we go. Now this thing is a beast. You see it's got the teeth in there. It can dig down into the carpets and stuff when you got embedded pet hair. I love this tool. For a while I was using the Lily brush and I came across this one and I haven't looked back. I'll put the links to this in the description so that you guys can grab it for yourselves. Look at this thing. It just grabs all the pet hair up, puts it into a little pile. I love this tool. Hands down, my favorite. Now this has to be the most detailed part of the entire process. This is when we get to use the teeth to pick at all those little hairs that's still embedded inside the carpet. Really comes in handy. Just using light pressure, kind of agitate at it, picks it right on up. You want to grab it up with the vac. we've got just about all the pet hair up. I'd say about 80% of it. We can start cleaning. I'll let that APC dwell for a bit, and I'm coming at it with the drill brush. Now re-vac one last time, pick up any leftover hairs. That's it. The car looks amazing. Got up a lot of that pet hair. We also cleaned the carpets. Looks great. I love that tool. All-time favorite, hands down. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.